Welcome to the XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So just let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. I just can unlocking the device just in a half of the second. That's a really good reaction. The face unlock feature works here correct. I just want to try here one more thing, because I set up my face recognition without of glasses, and now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses, and we'll see the result also. So as we can see, there is no any problem here. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.